double cleansing involves using two types of cleansers, one after the other, to thoroughly cleanse the skin. The main purpose is to remove all traces of sunscreen and or makeup, which already indicates when it's most needed. But let's have a look. The first step uses an oil or balm cleanser. This helps to dissolve oil-based impurities like sebum, sunscreen and makeup. When you massage it onto your dry face, the cleanser attracts these impurities. Once you add water, the cleanser emulsifies, turning milky, and it can be easily rinsed off. The second step involves a water-based cleanser, which removes any last traces of your oil-based cleanser, sunscreen or makeup. This ensures your skin is completely clean and free from residues. While double cleansing is highly recommended in the evening, especially if you wear sunscreen and or makeup, doing this both morning and night can be excessive for some skin types. Usually, a water-based cleanser in the morning is enough to remove the products from your evening skincare routine, as well as oil and sweat produced during the night. For those that have dry and sensitive skin, you need to be cautious, as double cleansing twice a day can be too drying or irritating. Therefore, remember to choose the right water-based cleanser for that skin type. And that's what I wanted to share with you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skin caring!